panicking. What's up guys, my name is Kat and I am the Liquor Fairy. In honor of the fall season, we're going to be making a pumpkin spice latte cocktail with, of course, only 3 ingredients. For our first ingredient, we're going to be using the Jameson cold brew. Jameson is one of the most popular Irish whiskeys out in the market right now to release this limited edition cold brew flavor. It is made with actual coffee beans from Brazil and Colombia. Jameson did an excellent job imitating the actual taste of cold brew coffee because when you drink this, it does taste like coffee. For our second ingredient, we're going to be using the Ole Smoky pumpkin spice cream. Along with their delicious whiskey, they also have moonshine and cream liqueurs. This cream liqueur was released 2 weeks ago as one of their limited seasonal flavors. So I took the opportunity to grab it while I could to make my favorite cocktail to drink this season. Ole Smoky pumpkin spice cream does not focus so much on the pumpkin aspect of the flavor, but more so the spice. It puts the spice in pumpkin spice. Which brings us to our third ingredient. For our third and final ingredient, we're going to be using the Real pumpkin puree. This pumpkin puree is not alcoholic, can be used for whatever you decide to put it in, but for this drink it's going to put the pumpkin in the pumpkin spice latte. For the first ingredient, we're going to add 2 ounces of Jameson cold brew. For the second ingredient, we're going to be using 2.5 ounces of the Ole Smoky pumpkin spice cream. Now we add 1 ounce of our last ingredient, which will be the pumpkin flavor for this drink. And then we're going to stir instead of shake. And then just sprinkle some ice in there. After you added your ice, add some whipped cream. Sprinkle with some cinnamon. Garnish with the cinnamon stick. And there you have it, the pumpkin spice latte cocktail. Now chug. Wow, that's really good. If you want to try out this easy recipe, follow my Twitter or like, subscribe, and comment for more easy cocktail recipes.